It's brutalized in simplicity, and it has facilities like a pool, which makes it posh area and cozy home for a country with such a warm climate.
Generally, our ideas or our philosophy behind our designs, it's always about nature and how we can always work along nature. What we tried to do was to make sure that we place this building into the environment. What we did, we placed the parkings on the road with its activities of people passing by and other vehicles passing by, and place activities of the family in the back, or where in the most intimate part that doesn't have noises or any disturbance. So what we did, we didn't cut like the whole slope. We removed the soil from where we wanted to place the building, but again, the house goes along with the slope. The swimming pool, we created the swimming pool from in the back so that people will be able to spend much of their time in the back. And the swimming pool is seen from the sitting room, from the dining, from the kitchen, from the bedrooms. It became like a point of attention from every space of this building. And yeah, we tried to follow the slope up to the end of that slope. We believe in creativity by creating and designing the environment where people live, work, and play.